I would say that we continue to have discussions. Again, there's a lot of details other than just the top line number that we're exchanging paper. We continue to make progress on certain issues. On certain issues, we continue to be far apart. I'd say at this point, getting something done before the election and executing on that would be difficult, just given where we are in the level of details. But we're going to try to continue to work through these issues. And again, from our perspective, we could have immediate help to many important parts of the economy now. In terms of airlines, there was enormous bipartisan support to extend support to the airlines to make sure that they didn't have to lay off all those workers. Again, that through no fault of their own. We had a great airline industry, an efficient airline industry. Again, it's been shut down because of COVID. I fully expect that it'll reopen and recover as we get more testing and as we get a vaccine. We could immediately disperse $130 billion that we have left over. We have that sitting in the Treasury's bank accounts that we could send out tomorrow to small businesses. I know Mitch McConnell is going to try to bring that to the floor in the Senate. Perhaps we'll get some bipartisan support there. The majority of the economy is rebounding back very strong. The parts of the economy that are still subject to travel, entertainment, restaurants, performances, those types of things are still suffering. And that's why we want a much more targeted approach. There's certain parts of the economy that literally businesses are doing much better than they've ever done before. There are other areas, and small businesses make up close to 50% of the private workforce. That's why we want to inject $300 billion to help them, because many of these businesses, if we don't get money to them soon, won't be here when the economy recovers. I don't agree with the speaker's approach of we have to do all or nothing. We're continuing to negotiate a comprehensive bill, but we want to put money into the economy now, and we have a lot of money that is authorized that we can't use from the last CARES Act. So we have probably over $300 billion that we could repurpose tomorrow with approval from Congress.